from you see me go down there with one buckle or 2 buckle of rum and some copper coin and some blood clot silver and tell Snake Eye to lug up all of Lewin and go off who for go off. All the family members will now get it. So if you don't believe in the ancestors, you're not going to believe. Remember, they never believe in a Paul Lewin. So, this was a 1 buckle of rum we use with Paul Lewin, a 2 buckle of rum we're going to use with this. So people, don't make the ancestors them come for you. But if Godman come for you more than when the ancestors them come for you. So baby mother for them boy, their girlfriend or boyfriend, because we know the 2 of them are Batman too. You understand? We know everything already. But when you're in a hiding, turn yourself to the nearest police station. That may tell you no. Mother and father, auntie and cousin and niece and nephew and close friend to them boy there. Tell them turn in themselves. Because by now on Sunday to Monday, when we release the ancestors them, we're not going to know what go on. When you hear about the crocking yet, or the crocking spirit we're going to release. So everybody who the planet eater people, the man blood people, shape out in our heart. The man blood shape out in our love. The man blood shaped out in our life, people see it. Anybody who can snapshot it, see it, is a heart, the man blood shaped out in our people. So the root them to the heart, people. And I know what say people, from come here, peer breeze and blow people, the ancestors them there with the people. The rural them own people. You understand? The whole world them own people. The whole Niah Kepong Maroon government them own people. So I bubbled over the corner people. And now the man come to himself at people. So swamp boss I know people. Now the man them come to themselves people. The family them people. And the wickedest and evilest things ever go on. And the man them be on social media people. So what the man show to the community say, you can't start kill people on TV. That the man show you know. The man show say, they don't believe in the law system. They don't believe in a God. Anyway, people, there you know. Yo, Swamp, I go down for the road because I go meet with the police down here because they don't know, so I'm joke to me thing, you know. You understand? Fully, you know. Baba, I call it, Mama. Nah, Mama,